Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install AI image generation add-on for Krita. So first of all, what you have to do is open your web browser on your computer. Now search for Krita AI diffusion. Now you'll be able to see GitHub page on the top search result. Click on it. A new page will open. What you have to do is go to the releases section and click on the latest version. And then scroll down just a bit and click on the zip file. And a file will be start to download on your computer. Once the file has been downloaded, what you have to do is open Krita, go to Tools, go to Scripts, and click on Import Python plugin from a file. Click on it. Now go to your download section and click on the zip file which I have just downloaded and simply click on Open. So the following plugins were imported. Enable plugins now. So I will click on Yes, and it also requires a restart. So I will click on Yes. Once I have imported, what I will do, I will close the Krita. Then again, I will open the Krita to restart it. I will wait just for a bit to open it. Now Krita has been opened once again. Now what I will do in order to open the AI diffusion, I will simply go to the settings, click on settings, click on Dockers. A new menu will appear and check this box called AI image generation. Once it's opened, what you have to do is track down the AI image generation. For instance, it's over here. So before doing that, you have to configure the AI image generation. So click on configure and click on local managed server. Now what you have to do is install a bunch of things. For instance, you have to install stable diffusion 1.5, and also you have to select all of them which are recommended. For instance, 4 or 5 packages selected, so I will also select the 5th package. And what you have to do is click on install button, and you can also select the path to download this option. Once you click on install, the stable diffusion will be downloaded on your computer, and that's simply how you can install AI image generation add-on for Krita. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.